Yo, what's up guys? This is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com today with another tutorial. Today I want to talk about a money management system. That we can use on binary options. In binary options, a money management system is crucial because it's a fixed outcome. It's very important that we manage our money. So now this strategy is based on the Martingale strategy. The regular Martingale, I explained that in another video, an earlier video. I put a link in the description if you want to look into that. Let's go to our website here. If you go to our right sidebar in our website, you can sign up for a free demo account and then you can start practicing. This money management system is a compounding strategy. The rules. You need to track your trading because you want to know what is your average win rate. Track your trading, we do that with our trading logger. Do a separate video about that as well. I'll put a link for that one in the description as well. Basically what you do, you log your trading, you log your investments, and you can see what are your profitable days, what are your losing days, and so on, and it keeps track of your win rate, and that's very important to know what your win rate is over an average period, especially with this money management system, because if you're below the 70% win rate, that means you need to practice harder and or find another strategy that works better for you. Second rule will be that you find an asset that is a minimum of 80% payout at the binary options. For a lower payout, I recommend not to do it because you lose too much money on your trades. That's for binary options in general, that you take at least 80% payout. Otherwise, you're not getting enough returns. Then the third rule is that you set a maximum losing number for the day. Like for example, this strategy for you would work out perfect if you take a maximum loss of 2 or 3 per day. For example, if you trade, if you're going for 5 profitable trades, you lose 4. That means you're losing 2 times 4 trades. That would mean you're losing a maximum, or you're trading a maximum of 8 trades in a day. 8 trades in a day is doable, for example. Then you never want to trade with a bigger size than 5% of your account balance. Otherwise, you're going to wipe out your account, of course, real quickly. And if this strategy works for you, you just need to practice that on a demo account, of course, first. And you can do that with a trading logger. But let's talk about an example here. So in this example, we take an account on IQ Option with a funding of $200 US. Now 5% of that is a $10 US, and based on 80% returns. Now this strategy works at best with a win rate of 75 to 80%. Works even better if you're going to 85 or 90%, of course. But what you want to do is you want every time you win a trade, you're going to double your investment. So the first time you invest $10, you win that trade, then you're going to invest $18, then you win that trade, you're going to invest $32.4 US. Now when you win that trade, you're gonna trade with a $85 US, and then by trade number 5, that should be your point to stop trading if you win that trade, because then you achieve a $100 US, and that is 10 times your input, and that means you can try another 10 times to create again $100. So that's basically how it works. You keep on compounding, and with a 80%, like 75% win rate by 4 or 5 trades, that would mean it gives you a 25 to 30% chance to win that amount, and you got if you win that amount, you get here by 4 trades, you get 5 times the chance to win that, and with 5 times 80%, you get even a 10 times to try to get to a 5 win streak. You can go to your trading history to see how many win streaks and how many losing streaks you have. Best for that is to use the trading log. It's a completely free tool. It won't cost you anything, just free sign up with your email address, and your login details are protected with us. That about said, yeah, I think that's all I need to explain. Of course, if you make 75%, you can go for a 8-time win streak or 7-time win streak, but that rarely happens because you're always probably always going to be limited at a 85% win streak. So the better you are, the better chance you get of making bigger amounts. But that's what it's all about, right? Becoming a better trader. So that's what I wanted to talk about. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon in the channel to get more new videos from me. Thank you for watching, and good luck trading.